Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you can replace your rear tail lights, the outer and inner tail light assembly, as well as the light bulbs that would be inside there. You need to remove it to be able to get to the light bulbs. And then down here is your reverse light, and we'll go over that process too. But this is your outer assembly. This one has the side marker light, turn indicator, brake light, and clearance light built into here, and this one is just clearance. So that being said, we will go ahead how you can remove this to be able to get to the light bulbs that are in the back here to be able to replace them. And so to start with, you'll need to pop the hatch here. Alright, so with the hatch popped, we need to, there's a little plastic cover here. We just need to pop in to remove that. And then we have two T25 screws here to loosen and remove. Now once you remove those two screws, you'll need to pull on this way, and you'll want to use your non-marking tool to also get in here, because there's a clip up here, and we just need to apply some pressure to be able to get the clip to come undone. Now we have that clip undone. We need to get back here to release the power cable, and to do that you got to pull this little tab back. Then you can press the black tab in and pull that out, and that way is how you would remove your whole headlight or tail light assembly to be able to gain access to the back where you replace the light bulbs. And when you're done replacing the light bulbs, you'll just make sure you hook this electric connector back up and lock it into place, and then be able to slide this back on the clip, lock it in, put your two screws back in, and tighten it up. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.